Notice if your body feels unusually heavy or buzzing. During the transition state, your physical body begins relaxing deeply while your energetic body becomes more active. This can create sensations of heaviness, light pressure, or subtle vibrations, signs you're shifting toward a projection state. As the separation gets closer, this heaviness may intensify, almost like you're sinking into the bed, while another part of you feels lighter or lifted. The buzzing can also expand from localized spots, like hands, feet, or chest, into a full-body energetic hum, which is one of the clearest indicators that you're entering the pre-projection phase. Check your breathing. See if it feels automatic instead of controlled. When the mind stays awake, but the body enters sleep mode, your breathing becomes slow and automatic. If you notice you're not doing the breathing, it means your body is powering down for sleep while your awareness is still active. This automatic breathing often feels smoother, quieter, and more distant, almost like the body is breathing on its own without your involvement. Some people even feel like their breath is happening somewhere else, which is a subtle sign that your focus is shifting away from the physical body and toward your non-physical awareness. Try moving a non-physical limb without moving your real body. Gently imagine lifting an arm or leg. If you feel movement, but your physical body stays still, that's your astral or subtle body responding. It's one of the most reliable signs that separation is beginning. As the transition deepens, the movement may start feeling more natural, almost effortless, like your energetic limb is lighter, smoother, or slightly delayed compared to physical movement. Some people even feel a double sensation, where the energetic limb shifts first, while the physical one stays perfectly still. This is a clear indication that your awareness is beginning to anchor into the non-physical body instead of the physical one. Look at your surroundings. See if anything looks slightly distorted or dreamlike. If you open your eyes or feel like you do, and the room looks stretched, wavy, darker, or unreal, you may already be perceiving through your astral senses rather than your physical eyes. These distortions can include soft glows around objects, unusual shadows, shifting colors, or a sense that the room feels bigger or smaller than it actually is. Sometimes the visuals flicker, fade in and out, or appear sharper than normal. This dreamlike quality indicates that you are no longer relying on physical sight, but are tapping into astral perception, which often appears slightly altered before stabilizing fully during the projection. Attempt a gentle float upward and observe any shift in perspective. Try imagining yourself rising a few centimeters. If your viewpoint shifts or you feel lightness or motion, that means your awareness is no longer fully anchored to the physical body. This floating sensation may begin subtly, like a soft lift in the chest, head, or entire torso, and can slowly evolve into a clearer upward drift. Sometimes you may feel as if your inner self is expanding, stretching, or detaching from the physical form. Even the slightest change in perspective, such as feeling taller, closer to the ceiling, or slightly misaligned with your physical position, is a strong sign that the energetic body is gaining independence and preparing for full separation. Listen for subtle sounds like hums, vibrations, or tones. Astral separation often includes unique audio sensations, humming, buzzing, high-pitched tones, or even distant whooshing. These are internal signals that your energy body is activating. As you deepen into the state, these sounds may intensify, shift in pitch, or begin pulsing rhythmically. Some people describe it like being near power lines, hearing a soft electrical buzz, or feeling an underwater rushing sound. These internal tones aren't external noises. They come through changes in your consciousness as it detaches from physical sensory input. The stronger and more consistent these sounds become, the closer you are to the actual exit phase. Focus on your intention. Am I in my body or out of it? A simple, direct question stabilizes your awareness. Sometimes the moment you ask this mentally, you'll notice clues, like feeling outside your usual center of gravity or sensing space differently. This self-check acts like a spotlight, revealing subtle shifts you may have overlooked. You might realize your center feels higher than your chest, slightly above your head, or even offset from where your physical body lies. The question also helps separate your awareness from the instinctive pull of the physical body, making it easier to notice if you're already partially detached. This internal inquiry sharpens your consciousness and often triggers an instant recognition that you're transitioning into the astral state. Try passing your hand through an object in your mind. Imagine moving your hand through a pillow or wall. If the sensation feels fluid, empty, or different from physical resistance, you are interacting with the astral environment rather than the physical one. Instead of a solid pushback, you may feel a smooth gliding motion, a soft tingling, or a sensation similar to moving through thick air or light. Sometimes it feels like your hand simply phases through without any pressure at all. This test is powerful because the astral body doesn't interact with physical matter the way the physical body does. The moment you feel this ghost-like movement, it's a clear indication that your perception has shifted into the non-physical layer and separation is already underway. Observe if thoughts shape sensations or movement instantly in the astral state. Intention is the primary form of movement. If thinking about rising or turning causes instant sensations or shifts, you're experiencing non-physical responsiveness. Unlike the physical body, which has weight, friction, and delay, the astral body responds immediately to subtle mental commands. You may notice that even a faint thought of drifting upward creates a gentle lift, or imagining rotating slightly causes your awareness to spin or shift position. This instant mind-to-motion effect is a hallmark of astral perception, showing that you've moved beyond physical limitations. The more effortlessly your thoughts translate into movement or sensation, the deeper you are in the astral transition. Perform a slow 360-degree visual scan. See if your vision feels expanded or unusual. During projection, you may perceive in all directions at once or feel like your perspective is wider than normal. If your visual awareness feels panoramic or strangely clear, it's a strong confirmation. Sometimes the environment appears brighter, more detailed, or illuminated from within, even if the physical room is dark. You may also notice that your point of view doesn't feel tied to your physical head. You can turn, rotate, or look behind you without moving anything. This expanded, fluid, or multi-directional vision is one of the clearest signs that you're seeing through astral perception rather than physical sight.